Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Python 101 Mastering the Python course. In the previous video, we learned variables. As you all know now that Python is like having a magic wand that you can use to create anything you can imagine. So let's get started. Now grab your favorite seat, take your computer, and let's dive into the exciting world of programming. First thing first, let's talk about operators. If you are new to Python, understanding operators is essential. This tutorial will cover the basics from arithmetic operators to assignment operators. Let's dive in. While learning the concept of programming, you should ask that why should we learn this concept? What is this concept? We will cover all this in today's video.
So now let's talk about arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are how Python perform mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, divide, and more. Take a look. In addition, add two numbers together using the plus sign. Subtraction, subtract one number from another using the minus sign. Multiplication can be done with asterisk symbol and division can be done with the forward slash symbol. Let's take these examples in the code.
So first, we will see how to do addition. Let's write in print statement, and in print we will write 3 plus 4. And if we run this, we will get the output as 7. And if we do subtraction, print 3, let's see, 10 minus 3, and if we run it again, then we will get the output as 7. Let's do multiplication. We will write print 10 into 7. And if we run again, we will get the outcome 70. Let's do division. Print 10 divided by 2. Let's see the output. We get the output as 5.0 and the modulus. Modulus is an operator which divide the number and give the remainder as output, such as print 10 modulo 2. And we will get the remainder as 0. Now that we have talked about arithmetic operators, let's talk about comparison operators. Comparison operators are used to compare values in Python, such as whether one number is greater than another or not. Let's look at some example. Greater than symbol to check if one number is greater than another. Less than symbol to check if one number is less than another. Equal to symbol, use double equal sign to check if two values are equal or not. Not equal to symbol, it is used to show that one value is not equal to another.
So let's start with comparison operators. Let's first create two variables which we will compare them. We will create some variables a equals to 10 and b equals to 20. So greater than operator. If we type that print is a greater than b, as 10 is smaller than 20, it will give us output as false, right? Because 10 is less than 20. But if we type print a is less than b, then it will give us true because b is greater than a equals to sign. If we type that print a equals to b, as a is 10 and b is 20, it is not equal. Therefore, it will give us output as false. not equal. If we type that print A is not equals to B, is A not equals to B? Yes. Then it will return us true. Now let's see next operators. Now then, let's talk about logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine multiple conditions and either return the true or false. True can be also known as 1, false or 0. Let's take a look at some common examples. AND operator use the AND keyword to check if two or more conditions are true. OR operator use the OR keyword to check if at least one condition is true. If there are two conditions and even if the one condition became true, then the output will be true. NOT operator use the NOT keyword to reverse a condition. If the condition is true, then it will return as false, and if the condition is false, it will return as true. Let's write code on it. Now let's see logical operator in action. First is AND operator. Let's first create some variable. Uh, A equals to 20 and B equals to 10. AND operator. If you print that is A greater than B and B is greater than A, in the first line, in the first is A greater than B? It is correct. But and B is greater than A? No. So according to the AND function, it will return as false, because if the both the condition are true, then only it will output as true. If one or both the conditions are false, then it will give us false. But OR operator is little bit different. If we use OR operator, it will give us output as true, because if both the condition are true, it will give us true. But if one of the condition is true, it will automatically give us true. NOT operator. Now if we use NOT operator like this, it will give us false, because A is greater than B. As you can see, is 20 and B is 10. But not reverse it. If the condition is true, then it will return us false, and the condition is false, it will return us true. Let's see next operators. Assignment operators. Now, don't worry, these are not assignment which give by the school or colleges. Assignment operators in Python are used to assign values to variables. There are several different types of assignment operators: add and assign, subtract and assign, multiple and assign. I will talk about this in code. There are more assignment operators such as divide and assign, modulus and assign, exponentiation and assign. It will be better if we write the code directly on this. So let's write code. Let's see assignment operators in action. First, we will create variable a equals to 10 and b equals to 1. And if we write like b plus equals to a, and then let's print b, the output we will get is 11, because it will do like this: 10 plus 1. You can also write this as b equals to b plus a. It is same. Now let's say subtract and assign. We will write b equals to b, oh, b minus equals to a. It will give us same. And for multiplication, b asterisk equals to a. Now our next three, modulus, exponentiation, and divide and assign, will be do by you. It is homework for you to do. Now it's question time. The first question: what is the difference between the double equal sign and the single equal sign? Second question is: how do I use multiple comparison operators in one statement? And third question is: what will be the output? If A equals to 10 and B equals to 20, and if we write print not A is greater than B, what do you think will be the output? Comment down all the answers in the comment section. And that's it for this video. In the next one, we will write more code and things will get even more exciting. Don't forget to comment down below that how you like this course. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video of Python 101 Master the Python course.